The resident leopard is very much awake. He does most of his hunting at night. At 130 pounds, the leopard is the smallest of the big cats here, but the most stealthy. This solitary cat can creep up on prey so silently that no one knows he's there. Short, powerful legs and a muscular body make him an excellent climber. For the moment, the baboons are in luck. The leopard is up to his old tricks. He's stashed another antelope kill, fresh this morning. This meal will keep him going for at least a week. For now, the baboons can sleep in peace. The resident leopard is on the prowl. Mothers rush to grab their babies. But Prince's parents are nowhere to be seen. He might be royalty, but that won't save him now. When leopards hunt baboons, infants are their usual victims. Prince searches for his mother. His instinct to climb is a good idea, but he's not strong enough to tackle a tree this size. In a flicker of an eye, it's over. But it's not Prince. This time, the leopard's victim is an adult baboon. Prince had a very lucky escape. No thanks to his parents. The outcast male, One Eye, is still looking for a home. Over the past few weeks, he's been hanging out on the periphery of the ebony troop. Last time he tried to join a new troop, he lost his eye fighting resident males. So this time, he's trying a different approach. Fighting isn't the only way to get into a troop. Another strategy is to make friends with a resident female. One Eye has been watching Nima from a distance. Her lowly position at the troop's edge, away from other males, makes her a good choice. time to make his move. He sidles up nonchalantly. He doesn't want to scare her off by being too eager. As the day goes on, One Eye gets a little closer. Like a shy teenager, he doesn't dare make eye contact yet. It could be perceived as a threat. His calm demeanor is having an effect. Nima seems rather relaxed in the company of this gentle giant. Things are progressing well for One Eye. Nima allows him the honor of grooming her. It's a big vote of confidence, a sign he's gained her trust. These two outsiders look as though they're going to be friends. To prove it, Nima grooms him back and seals the deal. Over the next few days, One Eye becomes a regular presence. Makupa seems to be embracing his new father figure. But Mum isn't ready to let go just yet. It's early days, but these two seem like the perfect match. Nima can help One Eye become part of the Ebony Troop. And One Eye is just what Nima and Makupa need. A big, protective male to help keep these outcasts safe. Once again, Makupa has caught the eye of an approaching female. One Eye instantly scoops him up. A simple, protective gesture that sends the potential kidnapper on her way. Makupa seems to know that his mum's new friend is here to protect him. One Eye might be a little clumsy, but he means well. And he's not at all bothered that pale Makupa is the odd one out in the troop. A rustle in the bushes catches Makupa's attention. It's bereaved Chisoni, who's come to join the newly expanded group of outcasts. For Makupa and Nima, Chisoni and One Eye, fortunes are at long last beginning to turn.
Hey Love Nature fans, be sure to like and subscribe to catch all our wild animal stories. Get closer to nature right here on YouTube.